Hi third graders, today we are going to start a new project over exploring the different ecosystems. We've been using our maps and globe skills to help us locate different countries and landforms around the world, so we're going to put those skills to test and with our physical and life science skills to explore the different ecosystems. To start off, you can click on Learn More About the Ecosystems by clicking right here. You can see the different ecosystems, the Arctic and the desert, along with the grassland, the ocean, rainforest, and temperate. You can click on each ecosystem. It'll take you to a screen that gives you some information about it. And if you click on the first picture that is right there, it'll link you to a YouTube video over that ecosystem that you can learn some more information about. When you're done with that, there is a short ecosystem quiz you can click on right here, and it'll take you into the quiz, and then after the quiz you can go back and link to our research project. Inside the research project, you're going to choose one of these ecosystems and perform some further research on it. Once you have your research done, you may showcase your research using something like Google Slides, Powtoon, YouTube, Prezi, any of those different digital tools that you are familiar with. It is your choice how you want to showcase your information for me to be able to see. Inside your research, you must include the name and the location of your ecosystem, what plants and animals live inside that ecosystem, what the weather and climate is like there, what kind of landforms exist, and what is the population size inside your ecosystem as well. I look forward to seeing your research projects. Once you've seen them posted, then you may comment and view some of your friends' projects as well.